Hi, this is Darren with Alpine Innovations, and I want to tell you a little bit about our new Alpine Patriot mask. We've changed our production from hunting gear to completely going towards this product for the next several months. But before I tell you about the Patriot mask, I want to show you a little bit about the features of the N95 3M mask. A lot of you may not know some of the features because you can't get a hold of it. It's highly sought after, but I think I could show you a few things that you may not already know. This vent hole here allows you to breathe easily through this mask. It protects you from inhaling any kind of contamination or sickness that you may be around, but if you're sick and you exhale, it's going to exhale everything that you may have out through this hole. So if you've coughed and sneezed in this mask, you're probably just going to exhale all of that out. Excellent mask to keep the medical professionals safe, but maybe not the best mask for the public. So what we have done is we've tried to develop something that the public can use, which is this Alpine Patriot mask, which has antibacterial fabric here, this black layer, and a polyester outer layer, which we've imaged with the flag. Between the two layers, you can add additional filter material if you choose to. If you have some fabric that's breathable, you can it allows you to exhale and breathe in through it easily. You might consider trying some different fabrics inside of this mask. How you use the mask is you take the two bands, put it over your head, and then just pull this up over your nose, and it'll comfort fit depending on the angle of this band right here. So if I want to raise the level or angle of this band, it'll keep it snug here. If I'm a person like a child and I need a smaller mask, all I do is I'll take these bands and tie them in a small loop knot, and I'll fit it to my face. So this is a universal fit mask. Men, women, children should be able to wear this, and it's washable and reusable up to 200 times before the antibacterial fabric loses its effectiveness. So this is a great mask for the general public. So if you're coughing or sneezing, you really ought to have a mask like this to mitigate all of that bacteria that's being spread everywhere. So we can protect one another by taking those precautions. For those of you who want to wear the mask a little differently, all you do is you take a pair of scissors, cut this band here in the center, and you're going to tie those two in a loop here and here. And now what I can do with this is I can wear it like a standard mask. Put it over my ears, and I can easily take it on and off. Again, if you've coughed or sneezed in this mask, wash it daily and keep it safe. Basically keep yourself safe. And we just hope everybody takes advantage of this. So if you're a medical professional and you want to purchase one of these masks from us, we can do those with your design of your hospital or clinic. We offer those at a discounted price because we want to protect those who are protecting us. And so if we all do our part and try to keep healthier and safer, we can kick this virus and get our country back up and rolling again. So thank you. Check it out at alpineproducts.com, and God bless America.